In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email from Postmark Suppression list. If you've got a contact who was suppressed by mistake, or someone who has asked to start receiving emails again, this quick walkthrough will show you how to reactivate that address using the Postmark dashboard. First, a quick bit of context. Postmark uses a suppression list to protect your sender reputation and your recipients. Addresses land there when messages hard bounce, when a recipient marks mail as spam, or when someone unsubscribes. Reactivating should only happen when you're confident the recipient truly wants your email and the address is valid. With that in mind, let's make the change. Start by logging into your Postmark account and heading to the servers page. If you manage multiple servers, take a moment to pick the one that actually sends messages to this recipient. Suppressions are stored per server, so choosing the wrong one will make it seem like the address isn't there. Once you're inside the correct server, select the message stream you use for those emails. In most cases, this will be the outbound stream, which handles your transactional or broadcast sends. If you organize streams by use case, like receipts, password resets, or newsletters, choose the one that corresponds to the messages the recipient should receive again. Next, open the Suppressions tab. This is the centralized list of addresses that Postmark will not deliver to for this stream. Use the search box to find the specific email address. Typing or pasting the full address is best to avoid similar-looking matches. If nothing appears, verify you're in the right server and stream, or consider whether the address was suppressed elsewhere. When you see the address, click Reactivate. Confirm the action if prompted. Postmark will immediately remove the address from the suppression list, allowing future emails to go through as you send them. It's important to note that this does not retroactively resend any previous failed or blocked messages. Only new messages sent after reactivation will be delivered. A few quick tips before you move on. If the address was suppressed due to a typo or a temporary mailbox issue, make sure the address is correct and able to receive mail now. If the suppression came from a spam complaint or an unsubscribe, reactivating should only be done with clear, renewed permission from the recipient. And if you don't see the Reactivate option, you may need the appropriate account permissions from your administrator. That's it. You've reactivated the email, and Postmark will include it the next time you send through that server and stream.